Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are doing great. Welcome to my channel. Today we learn how to fix birth year in Bereal account 2023. So guys, this is very simple process. Everyone can do it very easily. So don't waste the time and let's get start the video. And first we tap on Chrome browser and tap on search bar and tap on login Bereal account. A little bit scroll down, tap on login and tap on your profile, tap on my profile and little bit scroll down. First we tap on set edit, then scroll down and set your birthday month, birthday year and birthday date like this, and tap on done. I hope you like the video and this video is helpful for you. So guys, please subscribe my channel, like the video and leave the comment below, and don't forget to press the bell icon for new updates. And thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.